Today I am going to discuss a problem on quantum mechanics, and this is a multiple choice question. And let us first see the question. The energy of the lowest state in a one dimensional potential box of length A is, the first option is 0 and the second option is 2h square by 8m square, third option is h square by 8m square, and fourth option is h by 8m square. So, we have to choose the correct answer, and let us see. The energy of a particle confined in a one dimensional potential box with walls of length A is E n equal to n square h square by 8m square. This is the expression of energy of a particle which is confined in a cubical box of side A, and we have to calculate the lowest energy, and that is why if we put n equal to 1 in this expression, we can get the lowest energy of the particle in the cubical box. So, the lowest energy of the particle can be obtained when n equal to 1. That is, if we put n equal to 1 in this expression, then we can write E1 equal to h square by 8m square, and which is the lowest energy of the particle in the cubical box. So, here the option C is the correct answer of this problem. Thank you.